Experiencing a black screen or no audio in your Maruti Suzuki Infotainment system can be frustrating. These issues often stem from software glitches or connection problems. Start with a soft reset. Either restart the system via the power button or through steering wheel controls. If that doesn't work, try a hard reset by disconnecting the car battery for 10 to 15 minutes to reset the ECU and infotainment module. Check all physical connections and fuses related to the infotainment system, typically located in the fuse box under the dashboard. For persistent audio issues, inspect the amplifier connections. Remember, software bugs are common, particularly in Android-based systems. Keep your system updated. Over-the-air OTA updates released in mid-2024 and early 2025 have fixed many such problems. If basic resets don't resolve the issue, ensure your infotainment system has the latest firmware. Maruti Suzuki releases over-the-air updates to fix common problems. For 2024-2025 models, check for extended warranties that cover infotainment failures. These provide additional protection beyond standard coverage. For older models, visit a Maruti dealership for a diagnostic scan during routine servicing. This can identify and resolve persistent issues. Looking ahead, Maruti Suzuki is expanding OTA updates and AI-driven diagnostics to minimize manual fixes. Stay aware of supply chain issues that might delay repairs for older models. Regular updates and preventive maintenance can reduce future downtime.